Learn English with LELTA Tunes.
Good morning. I want to open a bank account. Good morning. I'd be happy to help with that. Great, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Ben Silva. Nice to meet you, Mr. Ben. Do you have your ID card? Yes, here it is. Thank you. What type of account do you want? I want a savings account. Please fill out this form. Okay, I will fill it now.
Great. You can deposit money after this.
Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Now it's your turn. Practice this conversation.
You can do it! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LELTA tunes.
Let's go explore.
Okay, this way. Race you to the tree. You're on.